Hey up now then, I'm off out. She's gone shopping. She don't know I'm going out, but I'm going out, bugger it. Going to a quick ride out. On my own. Right, bike's out. There's a still in garage, look. So, let's go out while she's not here, let's go out. Hoo-hoo, let's go.
Oi!
What?
Where you going?
Oh, shit.
I'm coming.
Right, we're out.
We're out.
I think it was October last time I rode this.
When did I do that? Was it November I did the egg run? The bloody...
Beginning of December, wasn't it?
something like that.
Or right at the end of November, 27th, something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, haven't been out. I've had COVID and that, so had COVID before Christmas. Still coughing. Weather's been crap, roads have been wet. So I've been cold or wet, so I ain't been out. All been busy. So Tracy's been out on her own.
Yeah.
I was just about to nip out on my own and she bloody caught me, so...
Yeah, but where was you going to go?
Hooters!
Good job I'm coming then, innit?
I've got there another day. Oh, we're getting into it now.
Oh.
So where are we going then? Donington?
Yeah.
For a coffee?
Yes.
Stop go man's here.
Top go, man. Wow.
Well,
Happy 2023, everybody. Let's hope it's a good one.
it's been shite so far, sure. It's as shite as last year, no it's changed. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my lover?
Hey. I'm alright, sweet cheeks.
See what this camera footage looks like?
Yeah.
I've moved my camera. It's on top of my head now.
Yeah.
Not sock in the middle of my head though, like a Teletubby.
No.
Put it to one side.
I won't call you Tinky Winky.
Get a better view. You got your heated grips on yet?
No.
No, I ain't. I think it's about 12 degrees today. So
Yeah.
that'll do for us.
Yeah.
Ah. I like it.
You're getting over.
Are you? Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm going to bloody work here.
I thought you were one thinking, right?
With the autopilot. Forever. Let's go and have a coffee.
Hot chocolate.
Car at the side of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be in the other lane, don't we?
Good job you're here. Mrs. Sat Mrs. Satnav. Yes, here we are now. Superbike factory calf. Here we are, sports fans.
Go and have a bite to eat. Or just a drink. Drink. Recording.
Ooh. Hi everybody. Ow, ow.
Coffee time. Right, Jed's calf. Get here and give it a try. It's alright here. Back a bit of snap. Right, let's get this coffee down us. Look at this beast here, look.
Well, that was coffee at Superbike factory there, look. Factory head's calf. Got to go to our daughters now and take some birthday cards. My light's working.
Yeah.
Nip up the M1. You're looking good, Mara, on that.
Pardon?
You're looking good.
Thanks. Whee.
There's another exit here if you want. Nip straight across grass. Alright.
Yep.
Might want heated grips on.
Yeah, maybe.
A bit of heated grip action. Don't want my hands getting cold.
No, I think I'm going to put mine on.
Well, I've got a draft blowing down my neck. That's an arrow.
Yeah.
That's it.
Look at the views.
Look at views. What are you doing? Hey up. M1 North.
M1.
You know what junction it is we want?
27.
This is 24, isn't it?
Yeah. Windy.
Ah, 69 mile an hour winds. Hey up. Come on, get the bloody urn on. It's in sport mode.
Sport.
Right. See ya! Right, we're nearly home now. Thanks for coming along with us. First time out, like I say, for ages, so I've right enjoyed it. Be out more regular now. So thanks for watching. See you again very soon. Bye now. Bye now. Bye.
Is this going on YouTube? Nah, I'm not going to bother. Oh.
So, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.